campers, this is Logan Gregoire, and today I'm joined by our service expert, Ethan Winkler. We're standing outside of a Grand Design Imagine, and we want to talk to you about one of the features and benefits that is across a number of the different makes and models that Grand Design offers. So Ethan's going to go over the operation of the quick port that's featured in the universal docking station.
So when it comes to your Grand Designs that come with this docking station, you're going to have your blue accordion style hose, and in order to connect that, you're going to have your quick connection in the middle. It's going to press in all the way and lock in. Make sure when you're trying to connect that, you don't have your hot or cold on, because you're not going to be able to get that connection in and sealed. Now, this is going to feed off of your hot tank and your cold side. On the other side of the trailer, you're going to have strictly a cold feed. So if you're trying to save your hot water, go to the other side, use your quick connect over there, be able to rinse your dishes and really anything extra that you need to rinse off. Over here, if you want to take a quick rinse after swimming or anything like that, you'll be able to blend in that hot water, take your spray port right here, and just rinse yourself off.
So let's talk about that, Ethan. You were mentioning something on the other side. So what is that with a Grand Design versus other competitors out there? So you're saying that Grand Design not only has this here, but they also have something on the other side?
Correct. So they're giving you multiple connections in order to utilize your spray system. So you'll have your fresh water over there, you'll have fresh water over here, so you're not worrying about running a hose from one side of the trailer to the other. You'll be able to grab that cold water over there and really utilize your water system.
Well, let's actually take a look at that, because I know so many first-time campers, especially, maybe they're not as used to it as we are, but can you actually just show us how we would quickly disconnect this system, and then let's run over to that side of the camper.
So disconnecting, again, make sure the system's depressurized, and you will have water pressure still in here. So go ahead and pull the trigger on your nozzle. It's going to relieve the pressure. You can push your connect in and then pull out, and then you're free to move. That's simple. So if we come around to the door side of the trailer on the back corner, now depending on models, it's going to vary on where it's located. But on this one, you're on the back corner of this sidewall. It's going to be a little bit different of a setup, but same style on how you connect. So you'll take your gold fitting here, press that in, and go ahead and press that. And then again, you're going to be hooked up, you're going to be pressurized. Cold water only, so don't try and take a shower out here. You might be in for a surprise.